Hi, how do we differentiate this trig function, which is a function of a function? So we can rewrite that as y is equal to sine x all square. It's the same, but it's just conventional and standard to write it in this format. Now if we differentiate this dy dx, and we differentiate this as it is, so that's 2 sine x, and then we differentiate what's inside the brackets, which is sine x. Remember, this is an operator operating on whatever function it is. Here d dx is operating on y, which is all of it. Here now we're dealing with what's inside the brackets, a function of a function. And this now is equal to 2 sine x cosine x. Incidentally, this can be written as sine 2x. Here we have y is equal to sine 2x, add 2 cosine 2x. And we know this, that if y is equal to cosine ax, then dy dx is equal to minus a sine ax. Just a standard differential. So dy dx is d dx of sine 2x added to d dx of cos 2x times 2. And this gives us 2 cos 2x minus 2 times 2 sine 2x, which you can write as 2 cos 2x minus 4 sine 2x, which we can factorize as 2 into cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x. Dy dx here will be our operator d dx of sine 3x minus d dx operating on cos 3x. This gives us 3 cosine 3x, add 3 sine 3x. We factorize to make it cosine 3x, add sine 3x. Here we make use of if y is equal to sine ax, then dy dx is equal to a cosine ax. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair. Bye for now.